Parang ako na naman magsuot. Hi guys, good morning. Okay, so maaga tayo nagising today. Actually, kanina pa. Mga 5 something, din ako nakatulog ulit. So, it's currently 6:53 in the morning. Sasanayin na natin ang self natin na mag-drink ng lukewarm water for tayo kumain. Para at least, parang feeling ma-cleanse ka talaga inside your, parang internal organs. Parang maano yung lamig. Mawala yung lamig. Umambon siya kanina ng konti pero ngayon I think it's dryness outside. But it's still cold out here. I'm gonna have my breakfast. I'm gonna have ramen. Ramen with rice. Then ang aking dessert. Yung binili namin yesterday sa Kmart na bueno. Ang cute guys, oh. First time ko makakita dito ng parang candy na lalagyanan ng bueno. Usually kasi nabibili sa 7-Eleven sa Pilipinas is yung nakapahaba, diba? Aside from that, what we're going to do today is speed day. Kasi ilang araw pa lang kami. Ang dami na naming nagastos. Yung pupuntahan namin today, we're going to park, city tour, ganon. O kaya yung mga walkable places or destinations near here. Nakapag-book na rin kami ng Queenstown flight namin. All we need to look na lang is yung Airbnb or yung pagstayan namin sa Queenstown. And prepare for some activities there. Para di naman sayang, di ba? Yun lang. Magmuni-muni muna kami. Bye guys!
Bye-bye! Maghanap kayo ng kiwi na marami.
Ay! Ingat! See you later! Bye-bye! So we're here now at Botanical Gardens sa Christchurch. Dito kami binaba guys, no? Dapat sa Hagley. Pero since malaki ang Hagley liter na yon, lapit lang din naman. Walking distance lang din naman. Pero we will start our day here at Botanical Gardens. So maglalakad-lakad kami and the weather is so fine today guys. Maaraw siya at the same time malamig. So nag-complement naman both. So hindi siya yung super lamig compared nung dumating kami na umuulan pa. Saka nakaka-amaze guys. Sa inuupuan kasi namin, may nakalagay ditong note. In memory of Mark Connolly, 1946 to 2017. I mean the quote itself, no? Sometimes I just look up and say, I know that was you. Wow, ang sweet. Kasi parang yung view nga naman dito, sa bench kasi na inuupuan namin, saktong-sakto, pag nag-look up ka, merong sunlight. Ayan, saktong-sakto na pag nakaupo ka talaga dito, yan yung view na makikita mo. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Behind the trees. And very, very nature friendly talaga dito. I mean, kahit sa buong New Zealand naman. Alam nyo rin ba guys, my friend told me na when you see some Kiwi, tawag sa mga people dito or mga taga New Zealand, na when they are walking down the streets like barefoot or sa mga kahit saan man dito, doesn't mean na parang nawala or tamad magsuot ng shoes. It only means na they are connecting with the nature. Siyempre, pag nilapat nila yung barefoot nila dito sa floor. Parang yun yung way of connecting to the nature, 'di ba? How nice pakinggan. Daming puno dito, which is very good din. Alam ko sa Pilipinas, marami ring mga natural destinations, pero iba rin din pala ang beauty pag nasa ibang bansa ka. May nakita ko kanina dito tawag doon, paddle ba yun? Yung parang boat na
Parang kayak.
Oo, kayak ang peg niya. Hello, welcome to Mara Huota, Waipapa. Christchurch Botanic Gardens. So nakalagay yung schedule here, guys. Ng open and close nila. So may gate siya. Mapuno, ang sarap ng araw.
Alam ko gusto kong summer.
This is the type of summer we like.
Birds, ano ba to? Duck ba yan?
Parang duck. Hello guys. Ay, Ibe. Ibe. Meron din silang pool inside Botanical Garden. So, ayun siya. And then, ang dami rin mga ducks here. And malaki yung Botanical Garden. At maraming pwedeng gawin. Perfect for family, bonding, friends, ganon. Kami dito sightseeing lang muna.
You said I'm a liar. I don't know. I don't know.
Available to buy. So there's a coffee shop din dito. And may pwede kang pag-tambaya.
Now it's late September. I can feel what you feel. I would write you a letter just to say that you missed it.
11:50. So we're gonna have it's gonna be our snack for today. We got chocolate truffle and apple juice sweet muffin. So mas malaki ang sweet muffin for only 5 NZD, and this is for like 6 point something. And then yours is 5 then.
Lonely, every day feels the same. I don't need anybody to share my day, but I can't lie, I think
We're here now at the Rose Garden. So different colors, different varieties of roses. Colors. Yeah, inside pa rin siya ng Botanical Garden. So parang siya nasa maze, no? Yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, now, we're looking for the way or path going out so we could go now to Hagley Park. Wherein napakalaki talaga nitong Botanical Garden at saka pwedeng ang dami mong gawin with your family here.
right away into the sunset. We don't need anything but this feeling. I can't fight it anymore. What if we find a way out of this place and we can see where this takes us? Really, I can't hide it. Oh, my heart, it goes like.
Pero ang ganda ng view. Grabe. Maraming ducks, magkakasama sila. Pwede ka dito mag-senti mode. And soul searching. Wala lang, parang ang lakas maka-cleanse ng alam mo yun, self. Pag may mga ganitong view. Do you agree? Camera girl. ng air. Hindi siya amoy maasim or maalat. At saka parang hindi siya maano sa skin, makati. It's very good. Very good? It's very nice. Sorry. Ay, sarap pag maganda ang place. Diba? The sun is really perfect today. Grabe. Gusto mo ba mag-picture? Ay, pwede. Pwede ba dyan? I think so. Pwede naman siguro mag-picture dyan. Kasi wala naman sinabing off-limits. So, ang dami rin mga visitors dito na Asian guys.
Hindi, yung iba taga dito talaga eh.
May pa-tennis din. So, different part naman siya. This is the Christchurch Botanical Fitness Park. So, may mga exercise kayo dyan na pwedeng gawin with your friends. This is the Hagley Park. And then, nandun kami kanina sa may yacht club. Yeah, kabila lang pala yun. So, now we're here. It's a super laki na Hagley Park. They also do their events here. Ito na lang ginaganap niya. Sports game, concert, even nata nung New Year's Eve, yung sa Lubong, I think meron din dito. Diba? So maraming pwede siyang maka-accommodate ng mga tao. We're here now sa Christchurch College nila ng Canterbury. Na we're in, mukha nga siyang Hogwarts School ng Harry Potter. Hindi nga lang siya ganun katataas, but parang kuhang-kuha niya inside. So this school is like for 175 years old na. Diba? Hindi pa tayo buhay, guys. Canterbury Museum is not open right now because I think they are under renovation, I think. Yeah. So, we might just pass this one. So, they also have Christchurch Botanic Gardens. Malaki rin to. Sa entrance pa lang, meron ka nang makikita ng fountain. So, let's go! Nature friendly. Let's go. Let's enter. Doon ako pwede ako mag-emote. Observatory. Yeah, it's a hotel, pero you can still, it's free to look naman inside. But, hanggang dito lang tayo, beyond this point lang. So we were just told that we are allowed to go to the observatory room upstairs, so we're about to do it right now.
nandito na tayo. Yun nga lang maulan, kaya hindi natin diniretso yung paglapit. Pero this is the near view ng Bridge of Remembrance. May nakalagay na Mesopotamia, France, Belgium. I don't know if they contributed something or meron parang in remembrance of those countries na participate. And dyan din yung Christmas tree na sinasabi kong pinakamalaki na siya dito.
I just lose control. Hate to be alone. How can I say no? You're my weakness, weakness. Baby, you should know. Tell me how to let you go. Now I think about you when I'm lonely. I don't want to, but I'm so weak. Wanna hold you so closely tonight. And I don't know why I do that when I'm so low, wanting you back. Gotta calm down and take.
Akala ko kanina, may lalabas na receipt. So, nagpakampante ako na okay na. Hindi ko napansin na wala pala receipt and they're just gonna call your number. Pero nagbawas siya sa card ko. And then I showed it to the staff na there's no receipt that's coming out. So, buti, nag-document kami ng sister ko, na-videohan niya, nahagip yung number namin. So, we told her na ang number ng order namin is 32. So, ayun. Naging okay. Akala ko mawawalan pa ng laman ng tiyan ko. A joke.
We bought some snacks para at least meron kami kainin later. Though meron naman na kaming pang dinner. Kasi may rice na rin naman doon. Pero we bought some noodles or spaghetti para at least meron kami pang merienda. Oh my gosh. So we're heading now to bus interchange para makauwi.
Pwede pa ba? Tanggal. Doon tayo sa kabila eh.
Oo. Ganun pa rin naman. Wala naman diretso.
We just got out from the bus and ang galing ng aking again navigator. How to use the bus, just ask her. And then yeah, di naman kami nagkamali. So again, until now, the weather is just fine. And now we're walking towards our home. And then we're gonna wash up, rest, a nap, just enjoy the day. If may time pa later, we might go out and then yeah, have some walk again.
Tama ba?
Oo, tama.
Oh no! What the fuck? Girl, nakikita ko na yung bus.
Okay, we have decided not to push through.